Good afternoon, guys. Have a very beautiful saw to show you today. This is one of my Alpinas. This is an Alpina 70S, an Italian saw. They're just a beautiful vintage saw. So as it sounds, 70 cc's, early saw, non-chain brake, but metal hand guard at the front. This one's running a genuine Oregon bar with a full chisel chain with fabulous life in it. It's not one I cut with very often, but it's incredibly satisfying to use just because of the history of the saw and the way the Italians made these saws. They're absolutely beautifully made. So it's running a full chisel chain, and so I'll show it starting and idling, and I'll show it on a restart, do a little bit of cutting with it, and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. Everything works on the saw. It's interesting, so you'll see it on some of the Alpinas, so the 070S, and it says Tendermatic. It's a very unusual chain tensioning system on the Alpina. When you release the side cover, in fact I'll show it in a minute, when you release the side cover there's a very high tension spring which is pulled with this lever. It sets the tension on the bar, you do the nuts up. As simple as that. And Lubrimatic, so it's automatic, and it also has a manual pump oiler. All working. Kill switch, and it's got fabulous compression. Hey guys, I hope that does that justice. It's very aggressive in the cut, effortless to use, throttles really nicely. Quickly do a walk around with the camera, and again I'm a bit belated with this video. So no apparent brakes on the saw that I can see. Pull start housing, felling spike present. Chain, sharp, very good life left in the chain. Come around the other side. And there's this unusual arrangement where you slacken the two side cover bolts and you push this lever, and it's hard work. It's a very high tension spring. That sits in with the little adjuster into the groove in the guide bar, then it pulls the bar forward, you do the nuts back up. Okay guys, I'll quickly show it on a restart. So very rare as well, some of the earlier Alpina saws, so rare, very difficult to find, particularly when they are complete, undamaged and original. kill switch, choke as well, although once it's primed it doesn't need it. Okay everyone, thanks for watching, and anybody wants to come out and take a look, you'd be more than welcome. Any questions, please just ask, and I'll do my best to answer, though my knowledge on the Alpina saws is not spectacular, but the saw itself is absolutely beautiful. So that's my 070S up for spares or repair on eBay. Bye for now.